babies, welcome back to my channel. So guys, I want to really talk to you guys really quick before I jump into this video. So I have been really enjoying interacting with everybody in the comments, you know, just interacting, telling jokes, you know, all of that, and that's really been fun for me. And I also want to be able to like post to YouTube stories and post polls and, you know, be able to tell you guys how my hair is throughout the week after I'm reviewing the products. But I'm thinking I have to be at a certain amount of subscribers. So make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you like this video. Tell your friends to subscribe because we want this channel to be lit. I want to be able to tell y'all what's going on with my hair. I want to be able to post polls, make sure I'm like, hey, y'all want to see this video, that video, you know, because I don't want to be putting out nothing y'all don't want to watch, you know. So let's jump right into this video. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Texture ID new line. I didn't get everything. I got what I thought I wanted to try, which was first both of their new deep conditioners. So this one is the dry hair and scalp relief with eucalyptus for types 3 and 4. It's the soothing hair mask with avocado and cocoa butter. So that is what that one looked like. And then I got the Coils deep conditioner for type 4 hair, and this is the self-heating coil conditioning mask with sweet almond oil, honey, and yogurt extract. So they both sound really good, really interesting. So since I got both of them and I didn't want to have to do two separate videos, we just gonna split my hair down the middle, boom, and do both of them and see what they hitting for. I also got the Coils twist butter for type 4 hair, and this is with sweet almond oil as well, honey, and yogurt extract. So that's what that looks like. I was thinking, like, should I compare this one to the old one, do a half and half thing and see what that hit for? What y'all think? See, that's why I need to be able to interact with y'all on YouTube so I can be like, y'all, what should I do? So, you know, but yeah, let's just get started with the deep conditioners first. So I have already washed my hair, shampooed my hair, and I got my microfiber bonnet on. And if you want to know what I shampooed my hair with, I used the cheap thing. I tried to told y'all in that video this was fine. I wouldn't even be using it again if it was whack. I don't be lying to y'all. I be keeping it 110. Like, that's good. I tried to told you. I tried to told you. Let's move on to what you're here for. Ooh, honey. Woohoo! What? Did I just say I shampooed my hair? Did I just shampoo my hair? That's looking like girl bad. So let's start with the dry hair and scalp relief soothing hair mask. That's this one. I'm gonna put that one on this side and this one on this side. Alright. We got a seal. I like that. I like stuff like that. You know, it's fresh. It smell. I could smell like the eucalyptus in it. It's got a little minty. Alright. This is what it's looking like. A little thick on them, a little thick. But creamy at the same time, like creamy. So I'm liking that. Let's see how it's gonna feel on this hair though. I can definitely smell that eucalyptus, like cleaning out your sinuses type of thing. Put it on that back part like you was, like how you used to relax them roots. Let me get my little edge. Little edges, yeah. Little 8-pound baby Jesus edges. Okay. Let's get on this back section. Do y'all be seeing people putting on their products and they be going like this in a big section like this, and you be like, it ain't getting on the end. You literally just getting the outside of your hair. Cause look at your hair right there. Like, look at all that don't have. Look at all that hair that don't got product. That's why you gotta separate your hair. You can't just be trying to work in no big section. Like, You got to pull it apart and get up in there. All right, on this side, we're going to do the self-heating coil conditioning mask. Good. No seal. Okay. Not happy about that. I ain't tripping. Y'all know it be a whole bunch of stuff that don't be coming with no seal on it. Oh, this is a totally different texture though. Like totally different texture. This is, it's still a little thick, maybe because it's cold, but it's like real creamy. Like that one was like a creamy, pearlized kind of creamy. I don't know if how to explain it, but this is just like a creamy, like a regular conditioner leave-in type of creamy. Come on, Coil. Don't just be sitting back there. Make sure them ends is together, girl. I'm liking the way this is going on too, though. It's like nice, creamy. It's more of a, I think because it's a different consistency, but it is like more gliding on my hair. Okay, so I'm done with both sides. The application of both of them were cool. So I'm going to leave this on for about 20 minutes and then come back to you guys and see what it do. Okay, you guys, I am back from rinsing out my hair, and sorry if in the earlier clips you saw how my face was just, it looked like it was real ashy and peeling. That's because I put retinol on my face last night, and that stuff is strong and it will peel your skin off. But let's get into this deep conditioner. I just rinsed it out. This one feels softer. So, of course, we like softer. And this one I also liked because it made my scalp tingly, and I still kind of feel the tingling. And it smelled like minty. Like, I like that. I don't have a lot of deep conditioners that do that, so I really like this one better than this one. This Coils Butter. So of course we are going to do a twist style. It says on wet or dry hair, apply evenly with fingers to create desired style. For added styling abilities, apply product in sections to damp hair. This Texture ID Coils Twist Butter provides crunch-free, flake-free hold that lasts for days. Give your thirsty coils what they need with this unique hydrating butter gel formula. Butter gel. Okay. So we definitely doing a twist out, but I was wondering, like, do I need to be using a leave-in? Because you know we always use leave-ins, honey. So I'm gonna use a leave-in, but because I really want to get the effects of this product, and I want to see how moisturizing it is and defining, I'm going to use a lightweight leave-in. And what better lightweight leave-in to use than the Texture ID leave-in? I done had this forever, just like the other Texture ID products, and I ain't never used it. So, what time better than now? I'm putting it in there pretty good. Alright, so that's what the spray is doing to my little section. Alright, let's go in with some twist butter. I like the consistency. It feels like it's got a little gel up in there. Little custardy, which I like that because I feel like I'm gonna have some hold. And the way it's smoothing down, it feels kind of like a custard. So I'm liking that. So I'm gonna go ahead and twist this up. And we be back. We be right back, good.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now. Let's begin now.
Okay, you guys, I'm back. I separated my hair, put a little oil on it, and picked it out a little bit, did these edges. But y'all, let's get into these products. So I told you guys earlier that I liked this deep conditioner better than this deep conditioner. Now, comparing the two, that is accurate. I do like this one better than this one due to I like the tingly feeling, and this one left my hair a little softer. And this is the Dry Itchy Scalp one. But what concerned me about both of the deep conditioners was I didn't get the moisture and hydration that I wanted. So my hair was like super soft, but it wasn't like moisturized and hydrated. So what I mean by that like when I showed you my hair was freshly shampooed, you see the definition where the curls are kind of in formation, but then when I rinsed out the deep conditioner, they weren't like that. It looked kind of like scattered and dry looking. Even though it didn't feel very dry, it just looked dry, and it just it was soft, but it wasn't hydrated. I hope that makes sense. When your hair is hydrated, it clumps together more. So the deep conditioners just didn't give me that type of moisture that I was looking for. Softness, yes, pillow soft, but the moisture wasn't there for me. So I will go ahead and finish these deep conditioners, maybe add something to them to add more moisture like the other deep conditioners. But I probably would not repurchase. They were just okay. Then moving on to the leave-in conditioner.
Hated it.
I've had better spray leave-ins with more moisture than this. This was not a good leave-in for me. I'm glad I used it because I never used it, and I'm glad I stuck with the Texture ID family. But yeah, this was not moisturizing at all. I mean, hell, water is more moisturizing than this. It just wasn't good at all, and it doesn't smell good. I'm all the way down here, so I'll just use it as a curl refresher just to finish off the bottle, but I would not repurchase this either, girl. Just use water. This twist butter, this Coils twist butter, is the star of the show, honey. This showed up and showed out. I love this. I really like this. So when it said it's a buttery gel, that's exactly what it is, a buttery gel. It's not a twist butter in the sense that we normally think of twist butter. It's not buttery. It's like a creamy gel, like a custard. Like I said, it's definitely like that. I was even feeling like I can get a wash and go out of this. So I've been wanting to do more cream wash and goes, but you know I'm a gel girl, so it's hard to kind of convert into that. So this might be my little gateway into cream wash and goes, because it does have, you can feel the gel in it. It has hella hold, like for real. I'm gonna find a more moisturizing leave-in to put under it, and it's gonna be over with. Like, it's going to be over with. I know Texture ID has other leave-ins or like conditioners that I can probably use under this that would be better than spray leave-in, so I might do that, or just go with something you already have. But this, I love it. I got very good definition. The hold is there, like it's there. Before I put the oil on my hair, this has olive oil in it, and I felt the olive oil in there. So whatever leave-in you put on that's moisturizing, this has the oil in it to seal that in and still give you some bomb hold. So this was a winner for me. I would recommend this, and I will be repurchasing this, absolutely. Now, I told y'all I got the old one too, and I've never used this, so now I'm very curious to compare the two to see how they are, because I don't even know what that texture is like or nothing, but I know when it hit, it was like a big deal. So that's why I have it in my stash. I need to use it though. So yes, this I recommend, y'all, and that's my review for these products. So thank you for watching. Please comment, like, share, and definitely subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.